Installing a controller module. If you install a new controller module, please ensure that the following components are installed in the controller module: boot media, mezzanine card, caching module, NVMe battery, DIMMs, RTC battery. Align the end of the controller module with the opening in the chassis and then gently push the controller module halfway into the system. With the cam handle in the open position, firmly push the controller module in until it meets the midplane and is fully seated. Then close the cam handle to the locked position. After installing the replacement controller, you need to work through the following actions. Refer to the education course or the hardware installation and maintenance guide for the procedure.